Hey, what is up guys, my name is Rohit and in this video we are going to talk about the top 5 most known tips for mobile photography. So if you're new to the channel, do subscribe for more mobile photography content. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So the first thing I want to share with you guys is the natural light is the best light for mobile photography. And here it is why. So if you're doing the portrait photography, the light coming from the window will give amazing result, and if you're much into the street photography, then the light under the open shade is awesome. Now these are summer days and the sunlight is very harsh. So what you can do is you just take a photograph and in the post production make it black and white to put much more drama into it. So that's about the natural light and why it is best for mobile photography. The next thing is get low and get more close to a subject. Now in day-to-day life, people don't get more close to the subject, but in photography you can do that. Now I have a separate video about macro photography. The link will be in the description box below or the card will pop up right here. The third tip is do not ever zoom while taking a photograph. Now what I have seen far now is when the subject is very far from your camera, people just zoom into that subject and click photograph. This will ruin your photograph. So instead you can go closer to a subject or crop it afterwards. There are many camera apps available in the Play Store right now. So I will suggest you to try some of these apps and get familiar with them. What I use as a daily driver are Camera FE5, Open Camera. For doing time lapse, the Frame Lapse is amazing camera app, and the next one for the long exposure is the Snail camera. And the final tip is editing. Remember one thing, editing is not applying the filter. Now there are also many editing apps available like Snapseed, Lightroom and also VSCO camera app. These are the editing apps which I recommend to you. Now for Snapseed and Lightroom, you will find various tutorials on my channel itself. I will put the links in the description box below. So that's it for this video guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, hit the subscribe button, like this video, and I will talk to you guys in the next one. Bye.